Imagine browsing a travel website and waiting ages for the page to load. That's what one of our customers was dealing with. Some of their web APIs were super slow, taking 200 milliseconds each, and they had no idea why. OpenResty X-Ray solved the mystery in a snap. It starts by sampling the requests that the web server processes in the production environment. It automatically creates this logarithmic distribution chart for the response latencies. We can notice that 5 requests with a long latency fall into the range of 131 milliseconds to 262 milliseconds. OpenResty X-Ray also automatically collected the URI and other info about those slowest requests. We can tell from the table above that all the slow requests are for the URI/use/shopcart/. OpenResty X-Ray has a unique feature that captures and analyzes network packets only on TCP connections that we're interested in. For example, we only want to see TCP connections with request latency longer than 100 milliseconds. OpenResty X-Ray automatically identified those slow TCP connections and captured the TCP packets on them. One of the samples looks like this in the web console of OpenResty X-Ray. On this chart, the small circles represent the ingress packets for the server, while the squares represent the egress packets. One packet stands out on the chart with a strangely long latency, about 200 milliseconds. It is the ACK plus push packet in a small circle, which means it is an incoming or ingress packet sent from the client. At this point, we can rule out the application server, or the gateway web server as the cause. It must be the client or the network links between the client and the server that add this extra 200 milliseconds latency. It is simple to check that the network link between the client and the server is flawless, and our customer then turns their attention to the client applications for their Android mobile apps. And soon they discover that the client software deliberately adds a 200 milliseconds delay between sending the request header and sending the request body. The mystery is solved. The new OpenResty X-Ray chart shows the improved request latency. OpenResty X-Ray does all the hard work for you. It picks the best analyzers for the process you want to check, analyzes the flame graphs and charts for you, and gives you a clear and simple report. You don't have to watch your servers, run any analyzer yourself, or figure out what the analyzers are telling you. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.